Hi, I'm Gail and I'm going to show you how to make this little book out of an A4 piece of paper. So you've got your A4 piece of paper and we're going to fold it into half like that, and then we're going to fold it again. So turn the paper round and fold it into half again. So when you open your piece of paper up, you should have 4 quarters. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fold it back into half and pick up the top piece of paper, and you're going to fold it back on itself so that it lines up with the edge like that. And then turn the paper over and do exactly the same again with this piece of paper. Fold it back on itself until it lines up with the edge like that. And it should look like a W like that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to fold it back how it was, and you will see now that there's a line where we folded the card piece of paper, and we're going to make a cut just down half up to there. Just like that. So we've only cut halfway down there. And then we're going to open the piece of paper up and we're going to fold it in half the other way, so it's the long way now. And then pick up the piece of paper, keeping hold of the ends, and just push it. Can you see? It like makes a diamond shape. Just push it together like that. And then all you have to do is take the 2 pieces that you've got hold of and bring them forward towards yourself like that, and then just press down on the edges so that it's nice and neat, and then fold that one over and press those edges down. If you've got a ruler, just go down them with a ruler and it'll make a nice edge like that. And there you have your lovely little book made out of an A4 piece of paper. So you can write whatever you want on the pages, and it can be like a little memory book. Thank you for watching. Bye.